Before we dive in and talk about lead magnet creation, let me ask you, where is your lead magnet stored? What is the link to your lead magnet? How is your lead magnet delivered? What is the opt-in rate for your lead magnet? Or how many leads has your lead magnet got you so far since you created it? Check this out. These are some lead magnets that I'm creating effortlessly inside of a tool called Lead Creator. If I want the link to my lead magnet, I simply just copy the link right here, and then I can post this lead magnet wherever I like. Now, Lead Creator is brand new. You've never heard of this. There's a link in the description. You can check it out. Create and share high-converting lead magnets in minutes using Lead Creator. Instant lead magnets, effortless sharing, and faster list growth without wasting hours juggling multiple tools. Now, let me show you how this works. So you want to create a lead magnet, you simply select Create Lead Magnet, and this is AI powered. You do not have to use AI, which is very cool. So we're just going to call this Test 1, and we're going to create a new category. You can see here that I have a category called Test. Also, I have a category for 30-minute marketing Facebook post, blog post, and YouTube channel. So far, I've only used this on my YouTube channel, but we'll go ahead and we'll put this under the Test category. And then what we'll do here is we'll move to the next step, and we will create the lead magnet. We can use a raw ChatGPT chat. Of course, like I said, this is AI powered. We could create a 5-point listicle, 10-point, 15-point listicle. We could summarize a blog post that we have. We could also summarize the YouTube videos that we've created, and we can also create a blank lead magnet. There are some other options coming soon, an FAQ and an ebook guide. So let's just say that we want to create a 5-point listicle, and we'll go ahead and call this a 5-point listicle, and we will say 5 ways, or give me a list of the ways or best ways to train your new puppy to play fetch. And if I spelled fetch correctly, we'll go ahead and we will say create. Lead Creator will then lead magnet, or say lead magnet created successfully, and it will open up your lead magnet, and then it's going to create your lead magnet. Best ways to start your new puppy to play, or best ways to train your new puppy to play fetch. Start with basic obedience training, choose the right toy, introduce the toy gradually, use a command and reward system, gradually increase distance and complexity. So it doesn't end there, but essentially that is all you need to do. Then you come in and you configure the email capture. You set up your form field. What do you want your form to say? You just simply start typing here, get your puppy fetch guide, and as you can see, it's changing over there. Then you could say name, or you could change that name here, email here, or enter email, and you can see there, again, it's changing over on the right-hand side. Here you need to enter the privacy policy for your lead magnet. So that would be your website. In this case, we'll just say 30minutemarketing.net legal. And here I want to keep reading, or you could say something like, give me my free guide. And again, here you can see that the button has changed. Then you have the blur effect. This is what's going to happen when you deliver the lead magnet. It's going to pop this up, and you can set that, and you can say, let's have that blur, and let's have it set for 3 seconds. Here is the power as well. It currently integrates with GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, and System.io. And all you need to do is select the one that you've integrated with, and that is in the global settings, and you simply just load your list. It pulls that list from your GetResponse account. Then you have all your list right there. You connect it to your list. And then once it's connected to your list, you just say Save Changes. Now your lead magnet has been updated, and then you just go back to the content editor, or you can click on Settings, and here you can see that you can host this, or it can be hosted on app.leadcreator.ai, or you can add your own custom domain. Here I have 30minute.link. I can say I want to host it on 30minutemarketing.link or 30minute.link domain. Here's the slug. It'll generate a random slug, or you could say puppy fetch, or whatever makes sense to you, and I'll say update. Now that will be the URL, and we'll take a look at that in a second. You can also turn off lead creator branding, but if you enable lead creator branding and you are a member of the affiliate program, you can turn on your referral link, which means that the branding will then be your affiliate link. Then you can see here some other settings that are coming soon. And we're going to dive into the roadmap here in a second. But I want to go back to the content editor for a second and show you how this works. So what happened here is this is going to be your H1. So you can see here it is heading 1. You could change that to whatever you like. This here is going to be your heading 2. This here is going to be a standard paragraph, which is just text. But also look here, you can say Ask AI, and here is where you can say, or you can tap into the power of actually creating the lead magnet right here inside of the tool that is actually going to also actually going to deliver your lead magnet. So you can say improve the writing, fix the grammar, make shorter, make longer, continue writing. You could also do this. I'll say create a bullet point list of the basics of obedience training. AI is thinking, and then here you can see the basic commands, foundational importance, training sessions, reinforcement. Here you can replace that section, so I can replace that paragraph, or I can insert below. If I insert that below, now you can see I have created a bullet point list. So maybe I want to move this up, choose the right toy, because I think that's the most important. So then I just move this heading and this paragraph. Now, best ways to train your puppy or new puppy to play fetch. Choose the right toys first. Selecting the right toy is crucial for successful fetching. Here I could say Ask AI again. I could say make this shorter. AI is thinking. Again, it's doing it in the background. It made it a little shorter. I can go ahead and replace that section, and it just replaced the paragraph. Also, if I want to add an image, all I do here is click that and use a / I can add an image. I can add YouTube videos. I can add more text, heading, bullet list, numbered list, all the different things. So for example, if I wanted to create a numbered list, I would click that, and maybe I want to create a list of toys. And here I would say dog bone, and then if I hit enter, it's going to be number 2. And at this point, you're using the AI, the power of the AI, and you're also using your own research to create exactly what you want. And then you just create that and you make it exactly what you want. And of course, you can also, for example, if this dog bone, say you had an affiliate link, you could just add your affiliate link right here. Of course, that would be your affiliate link, but we'll just say to google.com. We'll go ahead and save that. Now you can see that that is a link. If you wanted that link to be a certain color, for example, if you want it to be blue or you want it to be green, you could just change that color, and now all your links or that link and any of the other links that you have could be a different color. And of course, you can also, again, change the color here. If you wanted to change the color of this, make all your headings red or whatever you want to do. You could also bold that, and you could change those up as you need. Or maybe you can come down here and you can say, okay, I want this to be bolded or italicized or underlined. I can bold and underline. It is basically a text editor, and it is getting better all the time, which takes me back. Or first, let's go ahead and just say we'll publish this, and we'll go ahead and publish this lead magnet. Now it has been successfully published. You can click a view right here. We'll go ahead and click view. I'll drag this down, and what you're going to see is that is my 30-minute.link puppy fetch. And then here is what happens. When you publish this lead magnet, that was 3 seconds. Now, if somebody wants to see after they saw the headline and maybe that green listing of the best dog toys to use to train your puppy to fetch caught their eye, now they're going to enter their name and their email right here after they agree to the privacy policy. And right here it says, give me my free guide. So here, if I want to get my free guide, I'm just going to select that, and it's going to give me my lead magnet. Or it's going to give the person that wanted this lead magnet, it's going to give my lead the lead magnet. Your lead is going to be delivered the lead magnet instantly. All right. So then they're going to have access to that. And of course, again, down here, powered by Lead Creator, that is my affiliate link. You can also get rid of that branding. And here, of course, would be the link to your affiliate link or your own product if you wanted to have a link for the right toy. Then you go back and you want to see how well that lead magnet is doing. You just simply go back to your list of lead magnets. Here you can see that lead magnet was called test. Well, maybe I want to change that. So we'll go ahead and rename that to Puppy Fetch, because that's actually what it is. Now I've renamed that to Puppy Fetch, so I know exactly what it is. If I want the link at any time, I just come here and copy the link. I can also reset the stats, manage the categories, or delete it. You can see here that I'm 1 for 1, so it's 100% conversion on that test lead magnet. Now for the things that are going on here, you have global settings. You click that. Here's where you customize or add your domain. You can have as many domains as you like. Here you can set up integration. You click on integration. Right now, GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, and System.io. You go ahead and close that. Then you click here for the tutorials. Here are all the tutorials. There's also a chat bot right here with Philip Barman, the creator of Lead Creator, the creator of Lead Creator. He's also the creator of Taking Action Online. You can chat with him directly right here or find an answer in their help center. But you can see they have all the tutorials to get you started. If you go back to Lead Creator, you also have the roadmap right here. Click on that. It opens up the roadmap. Here you can see that they are taking this seriously. They have a change log as well as a roadmap. You can pause this and read all the things they're going to do. Start URL redirection, customizable chat GPT prompts, countdown for timer URL expiration, a free image library. They also have, or on the roadmap is an AI generator for images, squeeze page functionality to do like a double opt-in. You also have opt-in form templates, customizations coming, limited download, access, availability feature, viral reward sharing. All these things are coming. They have all these things right here. They also have a Facebook group. There's 96 members right now. You can see that as of the time of filming this video. Here is some things that they're planning right now that they haven't officially added to the roadmap, but Philip just released this about 7 hours ago as of making this video. We were asking questions in there. They're also taking, or the idea here is to invite everyone at this early stage. Again, we're in the early stages of this, creating this. Comment here what you want to see. Again, this is inside of the Facebook group, but you go back, you can see that it works. It works very well. It integrates with 4 really popular web browsers, or not web browsers, email autoresponders currently. Click the link in the description and check out the sales page. Understand that this highlighted in yellow is we've launched in July 2024, and your monthly fee is crucial for our development. They are still developing this tool. That's why you are getting the early bird price, which is when you click the link in the description right now, $47 per month, and everything is unlimited. You can see the things that are coming soon. All you have to do is click here to create your account. There is a countdown timer. There's also a demo video. Watch that first, understand exactly what you're getting. But really, I just showed you everything that you're going to get. But understand exactly what this is. It's $47 per month for unlimited lead magnets. With the big idea, the big concept, going back to the main dashboard of the Lead Creator where all your lead magnets are, I know exactly how my lead magnets are converting. I can grab the link to share my lead magnet. I know exactly where to go update my lead magnet. And the lead magnet was created effortlessly by just clicking and either letting the AI do it or adding my own content, adding my own images, and all the things that are coming with Lead Creator. I wanted to show you this. This just came out. It is just now available to the public. You are the first ones to see this, and there's a link in the description. Click that link. Let me know what you think about it when you sign up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.